In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a routines folder in Todoist. This guide will help you systematically organize your tasks and effortlessly manage recurring responsibilities. So, let's dive in. First, we're going to head over to your Todoist account. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're on your Todoist dashboard, take a glance at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll notice an option labeled My Projects. Click on that to navigate to the Projects section where all your current initiatives are listed. To create a new project dedicated to routines, look for a plus sign, often located near or at the end of the list of your existing projects. This handy little icon is your gateway to adding a new project. Click on it, and a small window will pop up asking you to add project. Here, you'll need to name your project. Choose a title that clearly identifies its purpose, such as daily routines or weekly tasks, something that resonates with your intention of streamlining these repeated tasks. After typing in the name, you can customize this project by selecting a color. This could be anything you find visually distinctive, making it easier to spot when scrolling through your projects. Next, you'll want to make sure this project is categorized within the correct workspace. If you have multiple workspaces, be careful to select the one where it will be most useful. If routines are an everyday concern, adding this project to your favorites will keep it readily accessible. Simply choose the option Add to Favorites if you think you'll need quick access often. Before finalizing, you'll also have the chance to choose a layout. Todoist typically offers options like a board view or list view, so pick whichever one suits your organizational style. Once you're satisfied with your choices, hit the Add button to create the project. Now, your routines project is set up, but it's empty. Let's add some tasks. Click on Add Task within your newly created Project tab. A field will open for you to type in your first routine task. Don't forget to assign a date or frequency if it's a recurring task. Todoist is excellent for allowing you to set specifics like every weekday or the first Monday of the month. After entering all necessary details, click Add Task to save it. Repeat this process for each routine task you need to add. Each new task will fit neatly into your routines project, ready for you to check off as you complete them. And there you have it, a dedicated routines folder in Todoist to help you manage and track your regular tasks efficiently. Feel free to adjust and refine your project as you see fit. Remember, Todoist is flexible to accommodate your needs. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized workflow.